Hi, I'm Willa Williams with the Go Getter team, and guess what? We're in the second half of 2021. It has been a crazy year in real estate. Now, if you've been thinking about buying a home in Metro Atlanta, you've definitely found it more of a challenge. There are lots of competing people competing over the same properties because we have low inventory and we have waves of people moving here from other states that were shut down throughout the pandemic. And some of those people wanted to change the state that they're in because of high taxes, also because those states are expensive, and because they did long shutdowns, shut down businesses, and dramatically changed the quality of life. So if you're a buyer, you're definitely finding it tough. I'm recommending to my buyers who are out searching for the second half of 2021, we probably will see some kind of slowdown for a few months, and then I think it probably will pick back up because inventory will start to decline again as we go into the holiday season. You want to make sure your offers are definitely strong by zeroing out your contingencies if you can. Get with an appropriate lender that can give you very short contingency times, if at all any. And then also you want to make sure you minimize your due diligence period, because there are a lot of offers that are coming in just like that and they're sweeping in and stealing the properties away. So you want to make sure you take advantage of it. Metro Atlanta is hot and booming, and so many people are coming because it's becoming more and more of an awesome place. I'm Willa Williams with the Go Getter team. Hope this buyer tip helps you for the end of 2021.